Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious ground beef quesadillas. We'll start by gathering all our fresh ingredients, including 1 pound of ground beef and 8 soft flour tortillas. Then, I'll guide you through browning and seasoning the beef to perfection. Next, we'll assemble these cheesy delights, ensuring a generous filling. Finally, I'll share tips for cooking them until they're golden brown and wonderfully crispy. Let's get cooking. First, let's prepare our savory beef filling. Take 1 pound of lean ground beef and cook it in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Break it apart as it browns, ensuring it's cooked through. Once done, drain any excess fat to keep your quesadillas light and delicious. Then, stir in about 1 tablespoon of taco seasoning or your favorite blend of spices to infuse it with incredible flavor. This step is crucial for a tasty result. Now, let's assemble these delightful quesadillas. Lay out 8 medium-sized flour tortillas on a clean surface. On 1/2 of each tortilla, sprinkle about 1/4 cup of your favorite shredded cheese. Next, add approximately 2 tablespoons of our perfectly seasoned ground beef mixture over the cheese. Finally, carefully fold the other half of the tortilla over the filling, creating a neat half-moon shape. This prepares them for cooking. It's time to cook our quesadillas to golden perfection. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. Place 1 or 2 assembled quesadillas in the pan, depending on its size. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, until the tortilla is beautifully golden brown and crispy, and the cheese inside is wonderfully melted. Serve these hot and fresh with your favorite toppings, like a dollop of sour cream or a spoonful of zesty salsa. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.